Have you thought about using AI to speed up or even automate your blog post review process? So, a couple of days ago, I read this very interesting article from Josh, who's sharing how he's been using AI to help him review blog posts much faster. Essentially, he has hired a couple of content writers to write the blog post for him, and he would be the one to review afterwards. Now, after a while, he realizes that most of his feedback is actually quite basic and straightforward. He has a series of questions that he would answer for each of the blog posts like this. So what he did instead is he turned this questionnaire into a prompt of ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to answer these questions for him for each blog post. For each question, ChatGPT is expected to grade whether that aspect is poor, passable, or great, together with the reasoning. I find this use case very interesting because even though it's quite straightforward, it's actually very practical. I believe there are still a lot of us spend time every day reviewing blog posts, and this process could be sped up a lot using this approach. So, what I'm gonna do today is that I will show you how I build my own blog post review system using a multi agent workflow on MyPal. I will share with you how I build it first, as well as the reason why I will choose multi-agent workflow over conventional ChatGPT. Let's go to MyPal, where we can start building multi-agent workflows. To start a new workflow, simply describe what kind of workflow you need here. In this case, we are looking to create a workflow that given a blog post, it will help us evaluate the content quality given a set of questions to examine. Now, the specific questions could be provided later on in the background of the agent responsible to execute this step. We can stop this process here. However, I believe for any blog post, our review process wouldn't just stop at content quality. We may also want to look at basic spelling and grammar mistakes. And we may even want to look at opportunities to optimize the blog post for SEO purpose. So what I'm gonna do is I will add these two steps as well. So essentially, check for spelling and grammar mistakes, as well as identify SEO optimization opportunities. Then I can generate with AI, and a whole multi-agent workflow will emerge. This is the beauty of multi-agent workflow. You can combine not just one but multiple AI agents together to perform a set of steps like this. Now, if you already have some agents that are suitable to execute each step, you can assign them here. I don't have anyone yet, so what I'm gonna do is that I will just click Save the Workflow and let AI create all the agents for me. Now we are redirected to the AI workflow builder where we can make further adjustment to this AI workflow. First, regarding the input, I don't think evaluation questions are necessary here. Instead of putting it as an input, I want to put the set of evaluation questions as the background of the agent for this step. So what I'm gonna do is that I will delete this input, and then I can go to this step to further customize the prompt for this agent. I can enhance this background to make this agent better. And in the design output here, I can take the prompt of Josh. So Josh has shared his prompt here. So I'm gonna take this prompt to put it inside the design output format of this agent. So essentially, we are asking it to evaluate the blog post against the following questions. So now feel free to further customize the other steps as well. If you want your AI agent to perform the SEO analysis or spelling and grammar mistake analysis in a specific way. For me, I think this is good enough for now. So let's run this workflow to see how it works. I'm gonna paste an example blog post from my team here. Let's start. This AI workflow will first evaluate the content quality based on the set of questions provided by Josh, together with the comment and suggestions, as well as a total score as well. Then it can help me check for basic spelling and grammar mistakes, as well as some suggestions to improve readability. Finally, it can also help me identify SEO optimization opportunities here, covering a wide range of aspects from keyword, meta tags, headings, to linking strategy, content quality, content structure. And as you can see, in just minutes, I have had a comprehensive analysis of any blog post. And this should speed up my review process for blog posts a lot. This would come in very useful, especially when you have a lot of blog posts to review every week, or when you have a very sophisticated and time consuming blog post review process that you can automate part of it or an entirety of it. I really hope you find this video helpful. For reference, I will link the AI workflow that we have just created in this video in the video description down below so that you can check it out. You can also go to mypow.io to start building an AI workflow for blog post review of your own that is customized to your unique requirements too. Now, I'm curious to learn, have you been using AI to help you with reviewing blog posts at all? Share with me your experience in the comment section.